boiled jackfruit, crushed jackfruit. I'm going to make paratha. Welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I'm going to make Kathal ki paratha, that is tender jackfruit paratha. For that I have taken the boiled jackfruit. I have crushed it in the mixer. I will add the basic masalas, and I prefer to make the paratha by adding the wheat flour in this only. If you want, you can make stuffed paratha. I have added one finely chopped onion, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, green ginger garlic green chili paste, chopped coriander leaves, salt, hing powder. Now we'll mix all these things, then add the wheat flour in it. I have mixed everything well with the atta, and I have added some kasuri methi also. Now we'll add water little by little and make a dough out of this. Prepared the dough and applied some oil and kept it here. I will keep this covered for 5 minutes. I have rolled out the paratha. Around 6 parathas I could make. Cook the same till golden brown from both the sides. You can serve as it is, or you can serve it along with curd. So our Kathal ki paratha is ready here. Now I'll put the second one. You can use ghee or oil as per your wish. The delicious Kathal ki paratha, that is tender jackfruit paratha, is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. The second one is also cooked nicely.